Hey, Professor, what's going on at Marine Tech?
Spring is in the air, Mike. It's really happening. We have sunshine. It is light until like 8:30 at night now, so we're not working out in the dark and the rain and everything. We have spring quarter kicked off. Great start. We just started last Tuesday. Lots of awesome projects going on here at Marine Tech. Amongst them, we have Lady M. Awesome. We just sea trialed it a couple weeks ago. I think you guys probably saw our update on that. We're going to be actually hanging on to Lady M, we've decided for a while. We've talked with students, talked with staff. We have Mike heading out on his big adventure around the Americas, and he's kind of our salesperson here. But more importantly, we've really decided that for our curriculum, our students really want to be able to use this boat as a training aid. We're going to do sea trials, mechanical surveys with our students. So we'll have it in the water for a couple weeks later this quarter. Students will be out actually cruising on this thing, taking engine temps and all that stuff. So we're going to hang on to it for a little while and then use it again next fall and early winter quarter as a training aid. It's just so unique to have an awesome, authentic training aid like this at the school. So we've decided that we're going to hang on to it for a little more. A couple little electrical projects we'll be working on it as well, and just making sure this thing is totally ready to go. Apart from that, we have a brand new Volvo D4.
What you got here, Professor?
Oh man, Christmas came early here at Marine Tech. This is our brand new engine we just purchased as a training aid. Showroom floor D4 230 from Volvo. LeConner Maritime Mark just delivered it for us. Big thanks, shout out to them. This is going to be a fantastic training aid for us. It's going to allow us, because now we also have the Vodia diagnostic tool and access to Volvo online stuff. So students will be able to actually plug into this engine, see live data, pull codes, all that stuff. So this is super exciting for us. Just unboxed her. Going to build a stand to put her on. This thing should be up and running soon. So we're excited.
Can I sneak in on Saturdays and sabotage it?
Yeah. Pull some wires and see if students can figure it out.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yep. This is going to be a good one.
Sweet. Love it.
We have the Aspen here at the school that was donated by Aspen Power Yachts. And it's basically we're using it as an awesome training aid for our pumps, pipes, and potties class to be doing through hull installations and all sorts of plumbing work. My drivetrains and engines, or my engines class, removed the Yanmar from it just last week, and we're going to be building a training aid out of that. It's going to be a perfect training aid for the school. In addition to that, we have more training aids that we're putting together. So we have students working on a couple donated Yanmars. One has a head gasket issue, not sure what was wrong with the other one, but we're going to have our advanced engine students fix that stuff up, get some really authentic, more in-depth, lab experience with that, turn those into training aids. It goes on and on and on. We have a couple large outboards we're repairing. We're doing a swap out with Skagit Valley Search and Rescue later this week, as well as mounting a new engine on a boat that's in at the school right now. So we've removed the outdrive. We're going to be putting a pod on the back and hanging an outboard on that. So a nice little conversion from IO to outboards. I can keep on going. A lot.
And on Wednesday nights.
Oh, Wednesday nights we have Thor in the water with its brand new sail, rigged, freshly tuned, and it is a world of difference from what it was before. We've had our Scallywag racing squadron out there every Wednesday night for the buoy races. And let's see, they got a first place and a second place so far. So we are very competitive in that. Sailing really, really nice. So excited about that as well. Students will be out on the Scallywagon with this nice weather, cruising around and testing our outboards out. So a lot of fun stuff happening. Every spring is busy as heck, but one of our favorite quarters for sure. And one more thing, I know many of you guys are interested in know what the heck's going on with One Ocean. They're departing in like a couple weeks, I believe it is. So definitely coming right down to the wire here. Things are getting very real for that crew. Still have lots of projects going on down there. Mike owes you guys a little bit of content, and we've been filming all along. Just there's no time to edit all this and put it together. But stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of videos on that, as well as filming of some tech tips and things like that. So getting really excited for One Ocean's launch and send off. It's in the water already, but launching them out to sea and getting them up north towards Alaska. So stay tuned. A lot more coming.
Welcome to the Scallywags, located in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where Skagit Valley College has been training technicians since 1968. If you are looking for industry certification and the skills to work in maritime, this is the place to visit. Our staff will share so much knowledge and experience, you will not be disappointed. The workforce demand is very high and all of our graduates are working around the world. If this sounds interesting to you, schedule a tour and come check us out.